Welcome to Alone Business Channel. Import it into Lightroom. First, click on Auto. Edit the tone. Change the value. Edit presence. Change the value. Edit tone curve. Change the value. HSL color. Set the value. Hue. Saturation. Luminance. Finally, color grading. Set the values. Before and after. Click on Copy Settings. Check the items you have edited and click Copy. Select the image created by the lookup table generator. Click Paste Settings. Export the image. Change the name to MyLookupTable Table 3. Click Convert to Cube in the lookup table generator. Select MyLookupTable Table 3. Now, MyLookupTable Table 3 cube is created. Launch Premiere Pro. Add Adjust Layer. Select Adjust Layer. Click Browse under Input Lookup Table. Select MyLookupTable Table 3.cube. Lookup Table is now added to the Adjust layer. Let's check it out. Let's see how it has changed. I was able to apply the lookup table to the video I shot in Log.
Thank you for watching the video to the end. My goal is to increase my channel subscribers. Your help will help. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.